that bit in.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to camp. Just having a laugh, flipping out. As you can see, I'm not on my own. We're Jay. It's been a while since we both come out. How long's it been, Jay?
April last year, River Camp.
April.
Riverside Camp.
Yeah. So well over a year. We're coming up towards the end of this blooming year. Crazy. So yeah, it's lovely and warm. So we're gonna do something different tonight. We're going to sleep under the stars. So we brought two tarps just in case, but we're thinking we're not going to set them up. It's not forecast any type of rain, so we should be okay. I've got the bivvy bag just in case. Jay is going all hog and not even bothering getting in his sleeping bag. So he says.
I say that now.
Yeah, it might change that.
Yeah.
Might change.
Yeah.
So yeah, join us on this one. It should be a fun camp. Being that it's bone dry still. All this is great tinder, sphagnum moss it's called. Giving Jay a bit of a bushcrafting lesson. So you're not hurting anything, you're just taking it off and it will grow back. That should be enough to get us going. Right. So what we'll do, just break a few of these up and get it ready to put on. So Jay's just asking about it. So we're pretending that we've got a spark going with flint and steel. So the next thing would be keeping it going and then basically getting it into what they call bird's nest then. So you basically bury it round like that. Alright. I'm not cheating. Well, I am cheating, but I'm not doing it on purpose to pretend that I've actually done it off a spark. I'm just showing Jay.
Definitely starting. Wow. Whoa.
Go. Have you spit camera then, pal? This is flash tinder, you see, and that's the trouble with flash tinder.
It's proper lighting.
There you go.
Excellent.
So like I say, a little bit of cheating, weren't it? But then you get your punk wood, put that on. That's a really good accelerant then. It just keeps it, not that we'd have trouble now, but in winter months, if you've got dried punk wood, see how it lights?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like a candle. So that'll keep going for a good while, you know what I mean? Without it going, I mean, look at the breeze. But it's good stuff. Come a long way since Ennerdale, I reckon.
Yeah, well, it certainly is a lot more impressive. Yeah.
That was hard work, wasn't it? Do you remember that? That was hard work. It took me 45 minutes to get that going. But I must admit, my first fire in wet conditions, that weren't bad going really.
Yeah, got there.
So I reckon that's my Cherokee heritage, though. That Jay, I reckon. That's what's done it.
He's all freshly prepared.
Yeah.
Have you still got that knife you very first bought from that hunting shop?
Yeah, I give it Charlie. I've managed to actually get it in some sort of working order now. It does actually do a little bit of feather sticking, not much. I don't think it's the best one, you know what I mean? Right, pretty much ready. We'll put this in, give it just that little bit longer. Oh, look at that. Lovely. I hope you're hungry, pal.
Certainly am. Look at that.
That's brimmed, isn't it?
How long do you give it after that?
It's ready now, really. We'll just warm it through and make sure everything's sorted. Okay. Just kind of work it through slow. Oh my word. That looks really good, doesn't it?
Get a picture. Certainly everything in that you need.
Certainly is, pal. Right, we'll give that another minute and it'll be ready. The only thing I didn't put in was mushrooms.
Look at that. Beautiful.
That ain't bad, is it? That's good. They're alright for now.
Perfect. Thanks, bud.
Alright, you got it?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Look at that.
No problem. Stick that back on, just keep it warm. That's looking pretty darn good, I reckon.
Oh yeah.
Go. Beautiful. Right, that's nice. Oh, morning. Morning, everybody. What a sleep. Well, the bad news is my back's gone, but hopefully, fingers crossed, not that bad, but we'll see. I think it's through all the bending over I've been doing, so we'll see. But yeah, this is how I slept. Jay's up there, he's still kipping. Oh gosh, what a lovely night. Lovely and toasty in this Four Seasons bag. And then we've got the bivvy, which was kindly given to me by Tony Noble. Cheers, Tony. That's awesome, that. Just does the trick, keeps the dew off if there is any. The Numo, the Alpkit Numo, and then we've just got this little tarp down on the ground just to protect it. And that's it, that's how we slept. But yeah, it was quite weird. It was about 3 o'clock this morning, we had a fox come through, just up there, telling us off, barking away. And then, pretty much right after that, I thought there was a whole passo of deer galloping down here. You could actually feel it through the floor, it was crazy. And I thought, oh, flipping out, they're all just going to come over and mow me down. But no, we're alright. And other than that, it's been alright, it's been different. Nice to actually, excuse me, go to sleep and look at the stars. Pretty cool. So I'm just going to tidy up now, get a coffee on, and then we'll get out. It's quite early doors, about 6:30. So we'll get moving. Right.
That stuff burns okay, doesn't it? That moss.
It's a flash tinder, that's the only trouble with it.
What, I mean, it's up and gone?
Yeah, yeah. Right, just before we pack up and get going, I brought, I'm going to try and start a little herb garden. One, to give something back to what we're using with all this and all the wood that we use. And 2, it's ideal for food when we come up to camp. And 3, certain herbs keep away insects and midges and things like that. Mint is a good one. They didn't actually have any, so we're starting off with a bit of parsley. So we'll get that in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll start growing. See what I mean about it being peat under here? So we're just saying to Jay about the fire, and that's why I brought the sand up. Just to make sure that there's nothing that goes underneath it. There's a lot of root systems under here, and that ain't good. So yeah, got a little bit of parsley there now. Socially distanced.
Sounds cool.
Hot chocolate for the morning. I don't know how warm it is. That is it. End of camp. We're all packed up and tidied away. All the rubbish is in that bin bag there. And yeah, we're going to get out while it's still quite early. Hopefully sneak out like ninjas. So thanks so much, yeah, for
No
coming,
worries,
pal.
no problem.
And hopefully we'll do it sooner than April next year. We'll get another one in. But it was something different, that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
Very good.
Yeah, different, wasn't it, pal? Yeah. Right, okay, so we'll see you soon. Alright.
See you later.
Thanks a lot. See you now. Bye.